Welcome guys in the videos of Cruise Biology and CRT tutorials. In this video we are going to talk about neural control and coordination part 2. Generally in this video we are going to talk about structure of neurons. Neuron is a microscopic structure composed of three major parts, namely cell body, dendrites and axons. You can see here in the figure there is dendrites, cell body and axon. Now cell body, it is contains the cytoplasm with typical cell organelles and certain granule bodies. Now these granules bodies are called Nessels granules. You can see here in the figures of Nessels granules. Now we are talking about dendrites. Dendrites are the short fibers which branch repeatedly and project out of cell body, and it also contains the Nessels granule. You can see here dendrite also contains Nessels granule, and it transmits the information from these dendrites to the cell body and further is transmitted by the axon. Now the axon is a long fiber like structure, and at the end of the axon it is branched. Here you can see the long fiber like structure, and it branch is called synaptic knob, and this knob is contains the vesicles that contains the chemical, this chemical known as neurotransmitters. Now we are talking about the neurons. There are the three types of neurons based on the number of axons and dendrites. Now these three types of neuron, first that is unipolar, that contains only cell body contains with one axon and found in embryonic stage. Second one, bipolar neuron, that contains only one axon and one dendrite, and it is generally found in the retina and eye. Third one, multipolar, it contains one axon and two or more dendrites, is found in cerebral cortex. Now there are two types of axon, first one myelinated and second one the non-myelinated. Generally myelinated nerve fiber, right, that is present in this spinal and cranial nerves, and the non-myelinated nerve fibers are generally found in that is autonomous and somatic neural system, and it is enclosed by Schwann cells that does not form a myelin sheath. Now the Schwann cells that surround this axon and form this myelin sheath. You can see here there is a gap between two Schwann cells, right? There is a gap between myelin sheath that is called nodes of Rendwire. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.